Today is a very, very special day in the lives of the Born Free family. Zayed, Sahil and I have started this company.
It's truly a dream come true.
Filmmaking is not really a very easy process.
Today is a very, very special day in the lives of the Born Free family. Zayed, Sahil and I have started this company. There are many dreams, many aspirations, a lot of love and passion that we put into putting this company together. And we're very grateful that we have in our midst who we can call our family today, a wonderful, wonderful group of people.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, Dia. Her infectious warmth and commitment to our cause and our company affects us all in every step we take. And she is the true aura of Born Free. Thank you, Dia. That was absolutely wonderful.
Thank you, all of you. Thank you, Zayed, Dia, Deepak, Team Born Free, Gautam, Gaurav, everybody here. I'm going to thank the press already for their time. Thank you so much for being here with us today. It's a very special day for all of us.
You're here in our midst to meet all of them, to get a glimpse of our first film that we're about to commence on the 15th of February. But before any of that, I'd like to introduce to you our partners.
As a first film, we'd like to bring to you a romantic comedy. Just like everyone, we are intrigued by the so complicated thing called love. This script that we have instantly fallen in love with from the moment we heard it. We knew we just had to make this.
To talk a little bit about the film, this film is something, it's a story that I've been wanting to share with everyone for a very long time. It's simple, I think it'll be very entertaining because the screenplay actually tends to mirror the little intricate details that I think make all our lives charming and wonderful as we live it every step of the way, every day as we move forward. It's a story about friends, it's a story about their relationships, but more than anything else, I think it's a story about the love that we all crave for. Because we know that love, in its own inimitable way, tends to make us smile, it makes us cry, introduces us to various highs and lows sometimes of life. But eventually, I think it completes us.
We've just been having so much fun with Born Free. We've already made the songs, or I can just say that one thing I can say that it's something really special, and I'm so looking forward to this album. We've all had lots of fun making it, and I'm sure you'll all have a lot of fun sharing with it.
Yeah, in the true spirit of Born Free Productions, we've actually been able to relive the freedom that we normally don't have. When you make music for a film, it's normally with a lot of boundaries and a lot of restrictions. And this is one of those films where we've completely been left free to explore what we felt was right for the film. And I'd like to thank Sahil and Dia and Zayed for that, because that's something that's a very rare occurrence, and it's happened for us. So, thank you.
Thank you, the very charming Sahil. You had the nicest words to say about everyone. Filmmaking is not really a very easy process, but I see the way Dia and Zaid and Sahil have gone about it. They've put everyone out front and given everyone the due importance. Otherwise, it's the actors who are always hogging the limelight. But without a good script, without good music, without good production values, a film is nothing. And without the press, people would never hear about the good work that we're doing. So I think it's just outstanding that you've taken everyone and put them right out front, and that's just the way you guys are. And I think it's going to be a wonderful experience, and I'm really looking forward to this collaboration.
I am so happy to be a part of this film, and I'm so happy that we have such a wonderful, wonderful group of people as a part of our cast. And honestly, I just can't wait to shoot. Sahil, let's start really soon.
Wow, my God, just look at these lovely bunch of people we're going to work with, you know. When we started Born Free off, it was just an idea, actually, that Dia, me and Sahil had on the terrace of my office. And to actually see it manifestate itself like this, in its true form, with all you lovely people, with all this lovely talent we have on board, it's truly a dream come true. But nevertheless, it's the first step for commencing the shooting that we're going to start on the 15th of February. But ladies and gentlemen, I just want to say, again, none of this would be possible without my partners, Sahil and Dia, who have truly been pillars of strength and have truly taken this company in directions that possibly I could never imagine myself. But thank you very much, guys. It's been lovely to work with you guys. Lovely. Thank you. And thank you, members of the press, for being here.